Alright, we're back. So, I mean, you know, it's not bad. I mean, I didn't get nothing too hyped to get over. Like, you know, I didn't get no legendaries or limited skins or, actually, I think this one's a limited skin. But I don't have the champion. But I got Sweetheart Sona. That's fucking cool. So, first I'm going to do this. I'm going to upgrade this into a permanent. So now, I got that persona. Sweet. Now this, I don't own this bitch. So, wait a minute. Yeah, I don't own her. But, so, I need blue, right? Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. I don't like you, and I don't want to play you, but I like Anivia, and I want to play Anivia. So, you go bye-bye to give me Anivia. Okay? Adios. Have a nice life. And now we buy Anivia. Believe, right? Yeah. Do it, mate. Yeah, we got Anivia. Oh, shit. I fucked up. No! 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 I fucked up. Oh, I fucked up. I fucking put her into the points instead of... I done goofed. Alright, well, that was a fuck up. I done fucked up. Well, now this right here, I can either forge this into a chest and key, or forge 10 into... So basically I need 9 more of these to get Hex Annie automatically, instead of hoping for her to come to me through one of the chests, or I just put it into a chest and key. So I mean, I could keep it and try to get 9 more. Here's what I'm gonna do with my 149. I'm gonna wait. Hold on. I have no keys. All right. Whoops. It's not what I wanted to do. So. Alright, my question is, do I want to keep this and hope to get 9 more to get Hex Annie skin, or do this? Fuck it, let's do this. Alright, moment of truth here. 1 key, 1 chest. Drum roll, please. Worst drum roll ever. Oh, I didn't even open it yet. Now we open it. Drum roll, please. Thick. I want Urgot. Well, it is what it is, boys. I mean, free champion's a free champion, so I'll take him. And with... Oh, I did that again. Okay, well, it's alright. I keep fucking up every time I want a champion. Instead of fucking clicking upgrade to permanent champion, I click fucking instance them into that. I really wanted Anivia, I fucked it up. So the only thing I really got out of it was some summoner icons and some ward skins, which were alright, but the only thing I really liked was the Sona skin. Other than that, it was meh. Not so great, but maybe next time. Because I'm going to make this a thing where I record when I get a lot of chests and keys. I'm gonna record so you guys can see my reactions to things and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed me opening chests and keys. I mean, opening chests with keys on League of Legends, and I hope you liked what I got and my reaction, and I'll do it again some other time next time I have chests and keys. Also, there will be more other League of Legends stuff, like more ARAMs, and I'll start to do normals, like, you know, Summoner's Rift and shit. So 52superluigi out. Hope you guys enjoyed.